ಹಾಯ್ ಗೈಸ್, ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಕ್ ಫಿಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಸಿಟಿಲಿರೋ ಟ್ರೈನರ್ಸ್ನ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಸೋಣ. ಅಂದರೆ ನೋಡೋಣ, ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಟ್ರೈನರ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಕೇರಳದಲ್ಲಿ, ಅಜರ್ ಅಂತ. ಅವ್ರೂ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಸೋಣ. ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವ ಥರ ರೆಡಿ ಆದರು, ಅವ್ರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ, ನೋಡೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಗೈಸ್, ಹೀ ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಟ್ರೈನರ್ ಅಜರ್. ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಬ್ರೋ, ವೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್?
Kannur, Talsheri.
ವೆನ್?
15th.
15th?
Yeah.
ಹೌ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ವರ್ಕೌಟ್?
Workout heavy, 0 carbs, full tired.
Fully tired?
0 carbs.
0 carbs?
Full, yeah.
Water?
Water अभी 10 days cut करना है.
Tell me about your workouts.
Workout is very heavy, 0 carbs. Means that is very important. Only 35 days trip.
35 days?
और कुछ नहीं है. वो मेंटली फुल डाउन आएगा, डिसिप्लिन नहीं तो कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. मैक्सिमम मैं ट्राई करेगा स्टेज में. मेरा परफॉर्मेंस सब कुछ ऑलरेडी सेट करेगा.
Okay bro, all the best.
Thank you bro.
ಕಪ್ಪು ಮುಖ್ಯಂಬಿಗಿಲ್ಲ.
Kandipa.
He is a Fazal, our senior trainer is here. He is a guy, one of the natty with great muscle maturity. My name is Lito. I am the new trainer here, but I want to become a prep coach. I am trying my level best. You guys. Aman is our senior trainer. He is a experienced sales specialist. He say a lot of lie to his clients. That's the problem, Amal. If we get 5 BC, he will convert at least 4.5. Prijesh, he is a senior trainer in Hawk Fitness. One of the best contest prep coach. He has a lot of knowledge, more than 8 years of experience. And his student Manas is ready for the prep in, I think, which month? April month. ICN Pro. ICN, definitely we get that gold. The pro card, we don't know, the his first competition, definitely we get the gold back. He is a senior trainer in Hawk Fitness. He has more than 10 years of experience. He is one of the good, what? Ayo. This person, he is one of the best trainer in Hawk Fitness. He is a senior trainer. He is one of the best lifetime fitness coach. He has a lot of potential. More than that, he is a natural athlete. He has he carrying a lot of muscles. If you see that physique, he cannot believe he is natural. Bro, just show your physique, bro. For audience, just show your physique, bro. No. No, just show your right now condition. Just show. Bro, audience are waiting. Or you are disappointing your audience. What? Right now his stomach is not well. We can see you back.
ಅದು ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರ್ರಿ? ಯಾವನ್ರಿ ಅವನು? ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಭಿಮಾನ ಇದೆ.
This is John. He is a personal trainer in Hawk Fitness. Before he is workout, not workout.
Congratulations, brother. Congratulations. Okay.
He is working as a Matt Hassel, as a fitness manager. Now he is working as a personal trainer in Hawk Fitness. He is a best trainer. If you want drastic transformation, you can join with John. He is not Indian citizen. He is a Canadian. That's real. That's real, right?
Passport. I have the passport.
Thank you for watching this video guys. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.